Hello there, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you this delicious Ghanaian special soup, palm nut with peanut butter and spinach. You can call it Abe Nkate Konto. Let's get right into it. I'll begin by seasoning my beef and goat meat with ginger, onion, garlic powder, black pepper, red chili, and aniseed. I'll add beef seasoning and salt, and then I will mix. I'll be broiling this on low broil for about 30 minutes. I like broiling my meat when I'm making this type of soup. You can use it fresh if you prefer, and you can use any meat of choice. So all the meat goes on my baking tray and then into the oven. I have here mackerel and pompano fish. I'll season it with salt and then I'll rub the salt all over the fish, and that also goes on my baking tray, and I'll be low broiling this as well for 30 minutes. I'll blend onion, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, scallion, tomato paste, aniseed until very smooth, and then set it on the side. The process of this soup is just as making palm nut soup or peanut butter soup, but in this case we are combining the palm cream with the peanut butter, and we'll be adding spinach later. So I'm using the Ghana Fresh palm cream. I'll scoop everything out of the can and then I'll be adding hot water. I'll mix it up or stir it up and then set it on the side. I'll also be blending my peanut butter with water. Please make sure you add enough water to the blender for smooth blend. This soup doesn't require you to cook down the peanut butter, but if you like to cook down your peanut butter, you can go ahead and do so. Into the pot, I'll add in my beef tripe, my cow skin and cow foot. I'll add my blended up vegetables, my beef seasoning, salt. I'll stir it up, cover it, and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes, so I'll go ahead and add in my palm cream, and then I'll add in my blended peanut butter. I'll rinse out the blender with water, and then I'll add that as well. I'll then add in onion, tomatoes, garden eggs, and habanero pepper, and then I'll add in some more water. I'll also add in my salted or cured fish or momoni, and then I'll add in my smoked fish as well, or adwene, and we'll allow the soup to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until the vegetables become tender. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. So 15 minutes later, I'll go ahead to remove the vegetables. I'll blend it and then bring it back into the soup. Once the blended vegetables goes into the soup, I'll add in some of my broiled meat, and I'll allow the soup to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes before I'll add in my broiled fish. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and always coming back to watch my videos. This is the time to adjust your salt if you would need it, but in my case, I didn't need any extra salt or any extra seasoning. Normally, cocoyam leaves is used for this recipe, but because I couldn't get hold of cocoyam leaves, I'm using spinach in replace of that. So yes, you can use spinach to replace the cocoyam leaves. I'll allow the soup to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes and the soup is ready. We'll be enjoying this with rice ball or sticky rice. You can enjoy this with fufu or any starch of choice. This was a Sunday special emoto with Abe Nkate Konto. This Sunday special emoto was really a hit. I hope you will give this soup a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And I couldn't serve this without my beans. Oh yes, this is how I like to enjoy it, and I'm very much sure you're familiar with this way of enjoying your Sunday emoto. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.